And then we got some fruit plates. And she got some waffles, bacon, eggs, and hash browns. I got some cereal.
Hey guys, welcome to my Excursion. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and ring the bell. We'll see you next one. Bye.
I'm so glad they gave me this little small one. And we are sitting out here on the balcony. It feels so good out here early in the morning. But y'all, when I tell you the heat is real. Good morning, good morning. So we're finally heading to our excursion. We have to walk because the guy said it's not worth calling the Uber because it's like 0.3 miles. It's very close. So that's what we're doing now. And I don't know why I forgot to bring like my Nikes and stuff. So I'm like mismatch. I'm mismatched right now. But it don't matter because we're just doing an excursion. It ain't like we gotta be matching. So, but sis look cute. She like a hiker. Oh, ooh. So yeah. Ma'am. I have to get my shoes back. We're doing pretty good. It's 11:15 right now. Ooh, there you go. We want to show y'all too, but we don't want to just keep the camera on us. We want to show y'all what's around. I'm walking down these little steps, so if I'm shaky, my bad. I think we go out this way. Yeah. Oh, what? Look at you. Oh, it's hot. What's our room number? 1905. 1905. Thank you. Oh, that's the store they talking about right there.
Just a food brunch. Punch. No alcohol, no tequila. No? Thank you. Cheers. Okay. Cheers.
It's good.
Gracias, Victor.
Very good. Thank you.
Perfecto, amigos. Okay. Today doing...
I'm excited, but I'm freaking scared. We're doing zip line and ATV, and we're going over like a river. So hopefully, fingers crossed that we can record. But I just went on to use the bathroom. I didn't have to, but I forced myself because she said I'm in the bathroom once we start the activities. So yeah, it's lit. Y'all look how beautiful this is. We just finished. We rode the horses up. It was so beautiful. Here are the racers and ATVs.
Nobody else.
got on panties. I didn't put on no swimming wear. Oh. Hola.
Hello. It's time to jump.
He finna jump, y'all.
How about you, girl?
No jumping. If I didn't have my hair done, I'd do it.
Yeah. Andale.
Andale.
A hole right up here.
Dang, I should get my phone. Sorry. How you feel, sis?
Drown in this wave.
Woo! Woo!
I'm all in this like I got Indy.
Shit, this shit get wet. It's over with. Oh, I gotta be careful. I forgot. Oh, it didn't get
Go
wet.
dry it. Water?
Yeah.
I can tell. You use the water bottle?
Yeah.
Like, come to this side, just a little bit. The water bottle, right? Oh, yeah.
Whoa, it's a little deep.
It is a little bit. I'm gonna want to go.
Who's next? Are you going to jump?
No, no.
Come on. If you don't jump, I don't give you a free tequila.
Come on, don't do that to us. Last thing with the ATV is riding over this whole bridge. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this bridge right here is what we'll be driving over. We're actually in the river right now. So this river, we'll be driving over it. So I'm excited. That's the bridge that we're getting ready to go over. So pretty. Hazel.
Oh my
With this.
God, this is beautiful.
You can do it with this.
What do you got? We got ocean view.
That's the bridge. We're gonna drive this bridge right here
Yeah.
on ATVs. I got it. Why are you taking a picture? Oh. Oh,
see
Not
nothing.
too high. You can see the zip line, the one you did. That's the longest one.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
Can you see the zip line? The one you did already? That's the longest one. That one right there? Yeah, the one.
So up here on the beach, it's so pretty up here. We're gonna finish driving all the way down that way. Yeah, I got some of them.
Oh, my legs feel like I ain't been at the gym. Whew. I've been hiking and it's been an adventurous day. For real.
How was it?
It was great.
There you go. Very beautiful. I can tell because of your faces.
Yeah. We're finna eat now. Whew. How beautiful that is. Thank you. Here.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Oh.
I'm tasting tequila now, guys. Talking to the people now. Boom, my head big chin to no return.
Too strong? Yeah. Ready for tequila, señoritas?
Yes.
Señorita?
Thank you. Thank you.
This is tequila blanco. The strongest but the most natural tequila. This is the one that get girls and guys naked and a lot of girls pregnant without knowing. Then they have little tequilitas running around the house. It happened to my sister 4 times already.
Really?
That's why I know. Good tequila, señoritas, doesn't supposed to burn. Or it doesn't even supposed to get you hangovers.
Wow.
That's with bad tequila. I was telling them about Patron. I don't know if you guys also know it. But it's owned by an American guy.
Patron?
It's called Mitchell, the guy that owns
Yeah.
Patron. Yes, it's fake tequila.
Fake tequila.
I figured, cause
it get you messy.
I know.
you'll
That's like-
you'll have a baby on that for real.
Yes.
Yeah.
I never tried that. A lot of people say that it's good.
It is, but we had some wine when we came from the airport. Tequila. I don't know what it was,
Oh, yeah.
but it was
I don't
so
know the name.
freaking smooth.
It was smooth.
Yes, yes.
Most
Nothing like Patron.
of the tequilas that are in Puerto Vallarta, they're smooth because they're organic. Have you guys ever heard of Tequila City? It's 3 hours from here. Would you like to try the coffee, amigo? Sí.
I might take this one if that's okay.
Oh, you don't have to drink it all.
Pretty smooth.
Really smooth.
That one's strong.
Thank you.
I see how people have babies off that.
Yes.
It's nice though.
Yeah,
It is.
It's got a nice smooth.
Yeah, it do.
Chocolate vanilla. This is more for dessert to have it over flan, over ice cream. Where are you guys coming from?
Arkansas.
Arkansas. That's a city or state?
That's the state.
That's the state.
State.
Little Rock is the city.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Is that alcohol?
18%. Regular wine has 10 to 12 and it gets people drunk. This is 18%. So that means you can get somebody drunk without knowing. With this.
Wow.
I'm pretty sure my patients will love that. Put it over some ice, that'll calm them down.
We tried the cheaper flavored tequila, and it's not as good.
No,
No.
it's not.
No.
Have you guys ever had Patron?
Yes.
That's what it says, fake tequila.
Right.
I can tell compared to this.
Which one were you guys' favorite?
This one.
Yeah,
Okay.
that one is good.
That one's really nice too.
What's this one?
This is 5 years. You guys didn't try this one.
Is that a new cup?
This
Mine
is-
was flavored.
This is añejo, and the 7 year is extra añejo. Extra. The older tequila is the better. Tequila is like, man, the older we keep getting, the better and better we get. How many times in Vallarta?
First time.
First time you guys are coming back. Whoever
Of
comes
course.
to
Yeah.
Puerto Vallarta, they always come.
We're gonna bring our mom probably in February for her birthday.
Nice.
Yep.
I
She'll love it here.
It's really nice. People are nice.
We
Food is
had,
good. It's beautiful.
Atmosphere, the vibes, everything is perfect.
Yeah.
we had the title for 6 years in a row, and right at the airport there was a big sign.
Look at all this tequila.
They changed the name.
And you know we finna get some.
And we cannot fit this label.
He told us that the tequila in the United States is fake, which it is because I done had like 5 shots.
Same tequila.
Yeah,
Our own brand.
I'm okay.
I need one of those,
Yes. Let me borrow it.
please.